How to transfer tickets on SeatGeek. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To transfer tickets on your SeatGeek, there is a straightforward process. Firstly, you can use your SeatGeek website. For that, go ahead and open up a preferred browser and search for SeatGeek.com. Make sure to log in into your account. You need to hover over your profile picture or name initial, then click on Tickets. Locate the event you want to transfer ticket for and select it. Click on the Send button that is at the below of the event. You can enter the recipient information by name, username, email address, or even phone number. Choose the quantity of tickets you want to transfer. After you double check the information, now all you have to do is tap on the Send option to initiate the transfer. If you are using a SeatGeek app, all you have to do is open the SeatGeek app, tap on Tickets icon in the navigation bar, select the event, select Send, then enter the recipient details like before. Again, select the quantity option, then just tap on Send for confirmation. And that is all for the video as well. We hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.